Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a short video together today, just showing you how to reset the service light on this 2006 smart brabus. Now it does need to be done in sort of quite quick succession, so I'm just going to run you through the procedure before doing it as well. Basically we're going to be using just the centre button on the dash there. The first thing we need to do is just turn the ignition to stage 2. So you put the lights on the dash there. Just going to press the centre button, and you just need to select the service mileage doing that. Now it doesn't always come up first time, you might have to try it a few times just to get it on. And just on that you can see we've got the mileage there. Basically what you need to do, once you get that mileage on, you need to quickly then turn the ignition off, press and hold the centre button again, turn the ignition on and keep it on for 10 seconds, and then release the button, and then once you turn it off and reset it, that should be reset. So we'll just try run through that now. I've just quickly flicked it off. So just quickly flick the ignition off, depress the button down there, and then keeping it depressed now. You can just see that's reset to 7,000 miles. Once it has done, you can just reset the button. The way that you'll know it's doing it correctly is once you've got the ignition off and you're pressing and holding the button, the service remainder mileage should remain on the dash when you're doing it. If it's not on there, it isn't doing it correctly. So you need to make sure that the mileage is on there whilst you're holding the centre button, that's all. You can just see now, just turn the ignition off and back on. Cycle through with the top button there. You can just see there, it's now been properly reset to 7,000 miles. That's it. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.